After much deliberation, labor unions ABVO, NAPB, and WICSU PSU signed an agreement on yesterday, June 14, 2022, with my person as Minister of Justice on the legal position regulation for police law enforcement St. Martin. This included KPSM, national detectives, immigration, customs, court of guardianship, and prison personnel, and further cooperation on personnel legal position issues. So we signed a covenant yesterday agreement to be able to recognize all the efforts that we are doing for personnel matters, as I mentioned the names above. The regulation will now follow the necessary legislative trajectory for formal approval by the Council of Ministers. Then the content of the regulations will be reviewed by legal and legislative departments and then submitted to the Committee of Civil Servants Union, or CCSU, and on to the Council of Advice. I take this time to express my profound thanks to our Acting Secretary General, Ligia Stella, and our interim or our consultant and change manager, Mr. Alvin Dahl. Both served as key players in the ministry arriving at this milestone as we work diligently with the unions to have these personnel matters regulated. We are making great strides. This achievement can be classified as phase 2 of regulating the ministry personnel affairs, and now we are on to the next milestone, all in the interests of those who have dedicated their lives to serve and protect St. Martin. The final approval of the legal position regulation for law enforcement St. Martin by the Council of Ministers will make it possible for police personnel as well as other departments within the ministry, but in particular police personnel, to be reimbursed for salary differences that existed since the salary of police personnel were not adjusted in 2010. These are aspects that the covenant carries, as well as the expositie. In the meantime, police personnel, including both police officers and support staff, will be placed in their new functions as described and classified in the function book. As such, a huge thank you goes out to the staff of the ministry for your patience. The unions will be kept updated throughout the legislative process and on the legal placements that will take place.